Terminal mode on Even G2. Keep up with your AI coding agents from your classes, wherever you are. See what's happening, respond when needed, and guide the next step with your voice. Let's set it up. You will need a pair of Even G2, the Even Realities app, and a computer running your AI coding agent. Mac OS, Linux, and Windows, they all work. To control terminal mode, just use the Even G2 touchpad. Tap, double tap, or long press. If you have an R1 ring, it works the same way. Install Even Terminal Server with one command. It's the bridge between your agent and your classes. npm install -g at evenrealities/even-terminal. Confirm it's working with even-terminal -- version. Now start a server with a few flags worth knowing. -- name labels the host. -- provider picks your agent. Currently you can input Claude or Codex, with more coming in the future. -- cwd points at your project directory. And -- tailscale binds your tailscale IP for private remote access. And remember, keep this window open. In the Even Realities app, open Settings, turn on terminal mode, and tap Add Host. Scan the QR code from your computer. Host, port, token, name, and agent fill in automatically. Save it. Your host appears online. Tap Start Stream on the host card. Your glasses land on a session picker. Pick a session and the live output starts streaming to your HUD. Each host can run up to 10 sessions. Double tap the Even G2 touchpad, or even R1, to open the session picker. Tap a session to jump in. To start a new session from your glasses, scroll to the Add New Session at the top, then long press and speak. Your voice prompt becomes the first message. If you need to interrupt the agent, long press for half a second to bring up a confirmation. Tap Yes to cancel, or double tap to keep it running. When the agent needs permission, you will see a question mark and a request right in your HUD. Tap to respond, or it will be denied automatically after 60 seconds. And you don't need to keep watching the whole time. When your agent needs you, the request appears right in your HUD. Respond and the display fades again. Running multiple sessions at once, you will get a quick notification when another session needs you. Single tap to jump in, double tap to dismiss. Run multiple sessions, work across agents, keep your coding flow with you wherever you go. Put them on, step away, keep building. You are ready for terminal mode on Even G2.